So just a quick video on my very cobbled together homemade smoke tester. As you would know, if you are into car repairs, these things are really useful to check for any manifold leaks or intercooler pipe leaks. And I needed one and I hadn't got one, so I used what I've got available. So it works using baby oil, just any brand of baby oil will do you. A piece of lamp wick, which you can see there, it's got looking a little bit burnt because I've used this quite a bit already, and some resistance wire, high resistance wire. And then my benchtop power supply, which I run at, for this purpose, run at 12 volts and probably somewhere around about 4 amps, keeping a close eye on it, but it's pretty safe really. So the wick is partly in the oil at the bottom of the jar, and that sucks it up into the wick and produces quite a lot of smoke, as I'll show you in a minute. The problem that many people have is getting something that will fit into the end of a large induction hose from the air filter. So I used the dog's ball. This was one of his discarded balls and I had permission to use it. I had to super glue the thing back together to get it round, and then drilled a hole through the middle and stuck my 8mm pipe through the centre of it. It's important to run the compressor to very low air pressure. I'm aiming at, well, that's actually showing 10 at the moment, but I'm aiming for sort of 5. By the time you actually turn the air on, that will drop down to around about 5. And that's now running at 16 volts, 5.8 amps, which is too much. I mean, it's popping out the top of the machine. But it creates a good bit of smoke, as you can see. Clear. That's probably too much airflow. I'd need to adjust that down. So it's quick and it's dirty and it's using an old coffee jar, but it's available and a lot cheaper than buying one from the shop. I mean, I use probably once in 5 years, so it's just no point in buying a machine specifically for the job.